You can't teach Ubuntu in a scrum, said Coach Peterse, but you can definitely test it there. It was a crisp Saturday morning in Bloemfontein, the kind where the air smells like Boerewors smoke and unspoken tension. The Regatta Rugby Club had a problem, or as the local paper called it, a modern identity crisis. Their star player was a white guy named Koos Dlamini, and the old members weren't sure how to clap. In the locker room, Koos laced his boots slowly. The rest of the team watched him like he was a walking spelling mistake.
Hey, Koos, not to be funny, but are you serious about the surname thing?
You mean my name?
Yeah, brew, but it's a vibe. My mom nearly choked when she saw the team sheet.
Tell her to breathe. It's just a name.
That's the problem, Kuzi. It's never just a name.
A silence. Only the squeak of the boot starts. Then Mandla, the team captain, broke the tension.
Gentlemen, if Mr. Dlamini can tackle like he did last week, I don't care if his surname is Beyonce.
The locker room erupted. The ice melted. And for a brief moment, laughter carried the gospel that politics couldn't. The stadium was packed. The crowd roared as the announcer's voice boomed. At inside center, Koos Dlamini. Half the stands cheered, half stared. Somewhere in the middle, a confused old man whispers to his wife, Mara, Dlaminis don't usually play in the back line. The whistle blew. The game was brutal. Koos took hits like a man baptized by contact. He played not to prove himself, but to prove a point nobody could phrase yet. In the second half, the scores were tight, and Mandla fed the ball to Koos. Koos dodged, spun, and crashed through the line. Try time! The crowd went wild, some out of pride, some out of confusion. Mandla lifted Koos in the air, yelling, "Skin in the game, Bruce, skin in the game!" In the change room, Koos sat with ice on his shoulder, scrolling his phone. Hashtag Koos Dlamini was trending again. Memes everywhere. Mandla looked over.
How you feeling, my Dlamini?
Heavy, brew. The try was light. The name is heavy.
That's how it is, broer. You carry history on your back before the number.
And we keep pretending the jersey is enough.
Maybe it's not pretending, Kuzi. Maybe it's practice.
The team bus hummed on the way home, everyone half asleep. Koos stared out the window. Townships, golf estates, silence, different worlds sharing one view. His phone buzzed. A message from his mama.
Proud of you, my boy. Remember, to have skin in the game doesn't mean you must win. It means you must feel.
Koos looked at his bruised arm. He smiled. It was dark purple and golden around the edges, the colors of a flag no one had designed yet. That Monday, the newspaper headline read, Dlamini scores for unity. But deep in the sports column, a small paragraph captured it better. It wasn't about rugby. It was about a name stitched over the heart of a man who stopped asking which side he belonged to. Na le bothata abuti bua le abuti ska e tshabela wa a le go Chele abuti o itsositse man a e go nele abuti emele auti, ikgaratlhele auti. Ba go tshositse mo, ska etsa ekete ga wa utlwa sentle mo, ga ba go sebela auti. Hey, le ska mo sia, emela auti, ga ke batle go rera le auti, ga ke di kenele, ga ke tlogelela auti, itshebele auti, ka o sane ga ke batle go utlwa ba re o letlere la auti, itshepe auti, you got skills, yeah, dinese auti. Sure, na ga ke ipatlise. Ke mang a tlang go go bolella everyday gore o dese auti. Ga o sena tsona di-badge, o di ipeye auti. Ska inela auti. Self-esteem is all you got. Ska ba tlogela ba go etsele auti.